ClassJump.com is a free website for teachers that they can interact with students and post homework and activities and post discussion boards on a website simply for free. And I'm going to show you how to create a ClassJump website. Teachers would normally click here to create their website. Students would click here to create their account. But for our video purposes, we're going to click here where it says teachers, click here. To create the ClassJump registration, teachers would have to create an account using their name, first and last name, and also provide a valid email that they would be able to access a confirmation email from ClassJump to activate their account. Teachers would click I have read and agree to the terms of service. Once you submit your name and email, you're going to get a confirmation email from your ClassJump registration. You're going to need to go into your email that you set up the ClassJump registration with and click on the email link, and you have a code that is given to you, or you could just click on the link that's provided by ClassJump. But for this activity, we're going to show how to include the code that's given by ClassJump. Once you have the code, you're going to paste it in the ClassJump website, and you'll move on to continuing your registration process by adding the location of where your school is located. ClassJump provides all the states, and we're going to use Florida. That's where I live. And we're going to look for the exact city location for the location of the school, because then the list of schools will pop up. And I'm going to click on my school. And there is the part of creating registration. Now we'll get to click onto our website and create the formatting of the different options that we want to have in our teacher site. This is looking for whether we want contact from emails from students as they register. This is notifying any students that are registering for the class, and we'll get emails so we know that students have registered. Any documents that are uploaded to the website, the teacher will get notifications, and we'll get any other notifications of anything of the site that's there. We're not going to add any profile image now. We'll do that later. And we're going to create a welcome sign so students, when they arrive to the teacher site, they can get a message from their teacher. And we'll create a Liberty test example, and we'll leave a message here to all my Liberty classmates. Hello everyone. And we'll scroll to the bottom and we will save this welcome message. Now we're going to add the classes. We're first going to add an English class, since I am an English teacher. And this will be a quick description of letting all the students know that they're going to be learning how to write English in this class, and the website will provide an online tool. Then we'll go to the bottom and save the description of the class. We want to include a message board for this class so students can respond to teacher created questions. This is a question for privacy, whether we want to keep the discussion board private or public for everyone to view messages. And we'll click, we'll keep it private for now. Next, we're going to pick a color scheme that best fits the character of the class, the teacher, pick something with colors for now. This is the basic layout of what a student would view once they arrive to the class website. There's a message board, and there's also the events and the homework and the calendar view. And first we're going to create a message board. We're going to start a new thread. We're going to create a discussion board question. We'll call it discussion board number 1. And we'll ask students, basically, since it's an English class, what is your favorite book? And once the teacher creates the question, students would be able to leave a reply. Teachers have the option to change and edit. Students would not. So these buttons normally would not appear in a student's account. Students would leave a reply down here at the bottom, and when they're done, they would press send. And here you see the basic layout of what the students would be able to see to be able to answer their questions, but teachers can see who saw it last, how many views were made for that specific question. We're going to go back to the English class website, and we have where teachers can create calendar events. You can pick any date in the calendar, and you could also change it to the next month, the previous month. We'll click a random date here, and we'll click and create an assignment name. We'll call it English Essay number 1. And we'll leave a comment of directions, and we'll ask the students, who is your favorite author? And we're going to make it a homework assignment. So we're going to click a little box here and make it due. We can click on a specific due date. And since we already picked the 18th, we'll click the 18th, and we'll save the class assignment. You can go back to the calendar, and now it highlights green, showing that there is an assignment due on that day. We can go back to the class website, and we can click on calendar view, and now we see the whole calendar, and this is what the students see, and they could also see the assignment information down at the bottom. At the top bar, taskbar, we have where we can create another class. So if I have multiple classes, we can also create a math class. So for example, if I teach multiple class periods, I can make different periods so they can have their own class website. I'm not going to put a description for math. And we have options to make changes later. And here you have the option to choose any of the classes that you want to go and edit and make changes for. The ClassJump taskbar has different options to make changes to various aspects to the website. You can make changes to the profile, add photo albums, links to different websites, download different documents, and different news articles. And it's very flexible to add anything that you like. We're going to log out now. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video on how to create a ClassJump.com website. It is free for teachers, it's free for students, and it's a great tool for students to see their homework, upload documents, be able to have a discussion board discussion with other students. Thank you.